free to enter. However, you do need to book your tickets in advance. But if you do fancy a cocktail or dinner with a view, I will leave that contract finished off by his son. We'll have the second in the country. Now, of course, this is where that back car was taken to be home. But it wasn't the other to be executed. So what people such as Tim Expansion having the 8th Catholic holiday family take a 3 now put it to with the word take it through the boat into the grounds of the tower and executed. Now TV executed in the grounds of the tower. That was 100% from what I think. But the rest of it back in the day would have been taken to Tower Hill. And would have been one of the most popular movies. And well, back then that was fantastic. Happy birthday,
So yan, kung nakikita nyo. Malapit na, sige.
Sino hintayin na?
Ay, na pala.
Some picture?
Thank you.
You ready? Yeah.
We have a bowl, please, for the sauce. Thank you.
Let's see if we'll go in Rocky.
O, ito ba ang marami?
Rocky?
Ate ko, ano pati? Ano? Isang bowl ko. Ako, dalawang ganito kami bibigay. Ay, ay.
Gusto mo ng duck?
Yoko.
Masarap ang duck nila.
The big one, yeah?
So, only the one
You
side.
have the big one.
Matay na naman to.
Alam kung ano pa yung
One daiko, yeah? So, I need to double check, yeah? So, you saw chicken fried, and a roast duck fried noodle, and a half with peanut, one chinabi, and one daiko, yeah? Yeah, one china, one daiko, yeah.
pinagkakagpagkain ng tao.
Soup, tom yum soup.
Ano yan? Anong buffet? Ganito yung minum na ko talaga. Oh, sobrang sarap ng amoy. Grabe, parang Pilipinas atin. Ay, bibili ako. Ah, parang Pilipinas. Ito. Ano yan? Ano yan? Grabe. Oh, sige, bibili ako. Ito sa akin, te. Grabe. Pandan yan? Oo nga, pandan nga. So, pandan tayo. So, pandan to. Yan. 2 to 7. Pangiti-ngiti na yan si Ate Cory, pero... mo na.